Wolf Handrail glass baluster railing is a premium glass baluster railing solution for decks, patios, and more. Each kit contains 8-inch glass balusters, top and bottom rails, silicone rubber extrusions for securing the glass without messy caulks, fasteners, and mounting brackets for easy assembly and installation between posts. Each glass baluster is made of 1/4-inch tempered glass for incredible durability and safety for even the busiest commercial environments. Whether installed at your home, business, or commercial project, you can rest assured the 25-year warranty and low maintenance will provide years of satisfaction and safety. In this video, we will show you how to assemble and install Wolf Handrail glass baluster railing. Let's start by ensuring you have the proper tools. Level, chop saw 60 to 80 tooth wood blade, safety glasses, 5/16 inch hex bit driver, 1/4 inch hex bit driver, tape measure, screw gun, pencil, drill bits, 1/8 inch wood metal, ear protection, 2 pieces 2x4 lumber to support railing during installation, optional, soapy water, utility knife. The first step is to attach the mid-support to the bottom channel extrusion and is only necessary for 8-foot sections. Using the mid-support template, drill 2 1/8 inch pilot holes at the center of the bottom channel. Using 1.5 inch fasteners, attach the mid-support to the flat side of the bottom channel. The next step is to cut and assemble the bottom rail. Measure the inside distance between your posts. Subtract a 1/4 inch from each side to allow the bottom rail and brackets to install properly. Cut the bottom channel and glass channel to the adjusted measurement. Note that the 2 pieces of glass channel are identical and interchangeable. Snap the bottom channel to the glass channel, creating the bottom rail assembly. This is a very tight fit. A wood block and hammer may be required to join the bottom rails. Before installing the bottom rail assembly, slide 2 setting blocks per glass baluster into the bottom rail glass channel with the flat side of the setting block facing up. The other side is a water relief channel. Now, install the bottom rail by placing the 2x4s near each post. Then, set the bottom rail assembly with brackets on each end between posts on the narrow side of the 2x4s. Next, center brackets on posts and mark fastener hole locations. Pre-drill fastener holes with 1/8 inch bit. Then fasten railings in place with 1-inch fasteners. After the railing is securely in place, pilot and secure the 1-inch fastener through the bottom bracket into bottom rail assembly on the non-visible side of railing at each end. Next, measure the inside distance between your posts. Subtract a 1/2 inch to allow the top rail assembly and brackets to install properly. Cut the top rail and glass channel to the adjusted measurement. Snap the top cap to the glass channel, creating the top rail assembly. When installing the top rail assembly for 36-inch residential railings, the inside dimension of the top and bottom rails must be installed exactly 28 inches apart for the glass balusters to fit properly. For 42-inch commercial railing, the top and bottom rails must be installed exactly 34 inches apart. Suggestion: cut 2 2x4s at 28 inches. Place the 2x4s on each end between the assemblies for proper spacing. Use 34-inch 2x4s for commercial height railing. After locating the placement of the top glass channel assembly, center the brackets on posts and mark fastener hole locations. Pre-drill fastener holes with 1/8 inch bit. Then fasten railing brackets in place with 1-inch fasteners. After the railing is securely in place, pilot and secure a 1-inch fastener through the top bracket into top rail assembly on the non-visible side of railing at each end. Now that you have installed the top glass channel assembly and bottom glass channel assembly, you are ready to lay out your glass baluster pattern. Lay out the glass balusters and glass spacers in front of the railing section using the appropriate spacing recommended in the included spacing chart. Ensure spacing does not exceed 3 5/16 inches in order to comply with international building codes. Slide 2 of the setting blocks into place within the bottom glass channel for each glass baluster. Ensure the setting blocks are 1/2 inch in on each side of each glass baluster and the water relief channel is facing down. The top rail assembly does not require setting blocks. Now it's time to install the glass balusters. Starting with the middle glass baluster, lift the glass baluster up into the top glass channel assembly. Swing the baluster over the bottom glass channel assembly into position. Gently set the glass onto the setting blocks in the bottom glass channel assembly. After checking the proper glass embedment into the top and bottom glass channel assembly is 1/2 inch, apply the 8-inch glass spline around your first glass baluster at the bottom rail assembly, and then the top rail assembly. Tip: dip spline in soapy water for easy application. After installing the middle glass baluster with 4 pieces of glass spline, it is now time to install the glass spacers. Measure all glass spacers to ensure uniform spacing between glass balusters. The standard glass spacer length is approximately 3 3/4 inches. Trim the spacers as necessary using a utility knife. Code requires gaps between balusters to be less than 4 inches. Install a spacer firmly against each side of the glass baluster at the top and at the bottom. Glass spacers will not slide once installed. Tip: dip spacers in soapy water for easy application. Install the next glass baluster. Repeat the glass installation steps until you have finished with your glass handrail section. Thank you for watching this video. View our installation instructions on our website at wolfhandrail.com. For questions about the installation of your Wolf handrail, call 573-365-7040 or email support@wolfhandrail.com. Additional Wolf handrail products available at Lowe's. Thank you for watching this video.